The TD12Pro Drone by Toladrone is equipped with a high-definition camera capable of capturing stunning aerial footage, making it ideal for both amateur and professional photographers. This drone features powerful brushless motors and level 3 wind resistance, ensuring smooth and stable flights even in challenging weather conditions. Designed with user-friendly controls, it offers 3 speed modes and a variety of intuitive functions, making it easy for beginners to capture beautiful footage effortlessly. Advanced optical flow positioning provides precise hovering and stability, which enhances safety and ease of use, especially for those new to drone flying. Its foldable and compact design makes it highly portable, perfect for travel and outdoor adventures, ensuring you can capture amazing shots wherever you go. With a range of multifunctional features like 360-degree flips and waypoint flight, this drone offers a versatile and interactive flying experience.